This is a guitar lesson for Stuck With You by Ariana Grande and Justin Bieber. Hey, how's it going? I put up new lessons each week. Fresh music every Friday. All the latest chart hits. If you want to keep up to date, if you're into new music and learning guitar, just subscribe now. And also, this lesson comes with a free download, which can be gotten above. Alright, so good news with this Ariana Grande and Justin Bieber song. This chord scheme you see on screen, this pattern works for the intro, the verse, pre-chorus and the chorus. It's actually used in most of the song. So the first thing to do is take a look at the chords. We have a G, we have a B minor, which you can simplify by going like this instead. We have a C, an E minor and a D. Now for the purpose of the lesson, I am going to do the bar chord B minor. The simple one is written in the description below. Now with this then, in the song you will see we have 4 beats in each bar. If you want to get used to just the chord changes first, you could go like this. You could go 1, 2, 3, next chord, B minor, like that. 3, 4, and play along if you wish. So we get our C, then we get E minor to D and back to G. Now of course we know that is not the rhythm, but that will get you the chord changes. Now the rhythm of it goes like this. On each of those beats you're going to strum 3 down strums. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. If we're counting 3 on each beat, that means on the second beat and the fourth beat there, you're going to play a bit harder. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, like that. And all of a sudden it sounds like the song. Okay, so now with that we have got the intro, the verse, the pre-chorus and the chorus. So the next part we're going to look at is the bridge. The bridge will follow the same chord rhythm pattern, and with that you will go, and by the way, I often say this with lessons, if there's something now you're like, do you know what, I might try another video, please let me know. Let me know what you don't understand or what you didn't understand. So it will help me customize the lessons a bit more. So we get the C chord, and then G, and that's our, and then the G. So lock the door, and we're back into the chorus after the bridge. If you don't play much bar chords, this one might seem a little bit tricky. So it's more toned down. It goes so lock the door. Watch now, we get C minor. Okay, now I'd imagine C minor is the most unfamiliar chord for you watching this. So a tip I'd have for it is just the B minor bar chord moved up a fret. Okay, I would take out that change C to C minor. And a tip I have for changing that chord is look at your ring finger here and then place your index finger on there and then put on the rest of the chord. Visually it's good to have something to track. So you look at your ring finger on the fretboard and then index, put on the rest. If you want to simplify the C minor, just use that modified B minor we had earlier and move it up a fret. It'll still sound good. So that's the chorus after the bridge. Play it all together, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, bit lighter. And I'm already thinking about C minor because it's coming. And we're back to the original chorus. And again, remember to grab the chord and lyric sheet, free download. You'll see it above or in the description below. And that's all the song. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching to the end. If you have any questions, as I've said, just post a comment below. I'll be happy to answer. Remember to sub to keep up to date for all the latest lessons. And remember, you can grab your free download above.